What's good, guys? Decent Syndrome here. 31-day poster challenge, day 25. Let's get it. Let's hop into the Discord real quick to take a look at today's triggers. We have the word conflict, wire, black. I'm getting a bit of images that these triggers are like flashing in my head. So let's just hop into Photoshop, play around with it and see what can we come up with, shall we? Let's hop over to Photoshop. Okay guys, I'm done. This is the finished piece. Hope you liked it. I went for a pretty dark yet modern piece, really minimalistic, and I tried to convey some of the violence of the inner struggle in a really quick and synthetic way. Hope you liked it. See you tomorrow. You already know how it is. Fuck peace, wish you conflict, shit.